Hi friend, today I will write the program of find volume and surface area of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is, and surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into radius plus height. First we write the main method. Then define the variable which is used during this writing the program. Radius is denoted by r and height, then surface area, then volume. Here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object. System dot in and enter the length, radius of the cylinder, radius of the cylinder. This line of code define what radius we enter. R is equal to SC dot next double. Then enter the height of the cylinder. Enter the height of the cylinder. This line of code defined what height we enter. SC dot next double. Then write the formula of surface area of cylinder. 2 into math dot pi into radius into radius plus height, and volume of the cylinder 2 pi rh, pi r square h, math dot pi into radius into height. Then print all this. First we print the surface area in the form of format. The surface area of cylinder is module 2f surface area, and volume, print the volume in the form of format. Format will format the output in the form of minimum digit up to after decimal. Volume of the cylinder is module 2f volume, and save the program and run the program. Enter the radius of cylinder is 6 and height of cylinder is 8. Surface area of cylinder is 526.79 and volume of cylinder is 904.78. That's it.